And I'm pretty sure that you are that love of mine. 'Cause I'm in a field of dandelions, wishing on everyone that you would be mine.
Lorraine, come here, drink the garlic honey. You don't like it?